Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And this is how to clear cache on a Samsung TV. So guys, this is a step-by-step guide. So just simply follow along the steps that I'm going to show you on the screen. So first one is press the home button to open the smart hub and then navigate to settings. And after that, just simply go to support and then select device care and just simply choose manage storage from the device care menu. And after that, guys, just simply choose the specific application you want to clear the cache and just simply select the option to clear cache for the chosen app. And take note that you may need to confirm your action before the cache is cleared. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. And guys, if you have any questions, comment down below and thanks for watching.